Stop tapping your finger, please. I'm trying to learn. Sorry. Do you mind not clicking your pen, please? It's so distracting. My bad. Sorry. Please don't crinkle the bottle. Oops. I'm sorry. La. Could you please stop humming? I'm trying to concentrate. Hey, don't whistle, it's disturbing. No problem.